Hey guys, this is a YouTube video about the Kocaso Tablet. This other YouTube video that I had was so ugly and all that, but here's a better one. You see this little piece? Hopefully, it's got a little brass tip on it. And what you do is, see this thing? The charger? You just put it in there. It fits perfectly, and I'm going to show you what it is. I ripped off my screen and all that because it broke, and I'm hoping to get a screen replacement, and it works. That little piece right there is a little tip on it. Now if you want me to do any more tutorials, I'll do it. So yeah guys, thanks. And as you can see, no screen. Oh, did I just cut myself? Ouch. Okay. As you can see, it works. It works. I can't show you with the screen or anything, but that's about it. I will talk to you guys later.